Today we are going to see about Power BI introduction. I'll- yeah. So, as you know, Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tool that converts data from different data source to interact dashboards and BI reports. Here, the Power BI suits multiple software connector and services. So for example, we have some platforms here. What are all platforms we are using? First one is Power BI desktop, and Power BI SaaS. Second one, Power BI SaaS, and third one is mobile app. Okay, SaaS is nothing but software as a service. So these are all additions we have. So this Power BI desktop is a free version. And this desktop, we are going to analyze the data and we are going to create a dashboard, preparations, slides, everything we are doing in Power BI desktop. So for that, we don't want to buy anything and we can download from the online itself. So it is a free software, right? And second thing is Power BI SaaS. So this one is software as a service. It is you know licensed one. So we have to buy the license. So if you have license, you can able to publish your report. Okay. Otherwise, you can't able to publish your report. So if you have Power BI desktop, you can able to design your data visualizations and dashboards, everything. But we can't able to publish and we can't able to share to someone. So for that, we need a license. For that, we need to buy this Power BI SaaS, software as a service license. So in this, we can able to add mobile application also. So we can able to see our reports in mobile app. For that also, we need to buy a license. Okay, fine. So now how should I install my Power BI desktop? So it is quite easy. Maybe I'll move on to the Google page. So you can go to Google Chrome and you can type like Power BI desktop free download. You can type free download, enter. Then it will connect into our Microsoft website. You can go to this download Microsoft Power BI desktop from official one. So here, if you come down, so you have to select the language here, English. So whatever language you want, you can select. So I'm selecting English, and then you have to click this download button. So once you click this download button, there will be a run file will download and you can install that run file. This is Power BI desktop setup 64-bit application. It will generate like this and you can run this application. The Power BI desktop will install in your desktop. So I have already installed. So once you installed and you have run that 64-bit file, it should be look like this. So when you are opening this Power BI, it is asking the data source settings. If you click that one, it will go to your Power BI desktop. So if you have license version, you can log in here. Maybe you can you can mention your email ID if you have licensed one, or if you don't have licensed one, we can use the free version, but we can't able to publish. See here, the publish button is in hidden mode because we don't have the license right now. So that's why it is in hidden mode. Okay. So this is a front page of this Power BI desktop. Here we have four different categories. One is report view. In this report view only, we are going to create multiple sheets, how to analyze our data. Here, this you get this plus button, you can add plus, you can able to add multiple sheets, and you can able to create, design multiple sheets. Okay. And this one is table view. So whatever data we are uploading, it will reflect in our data view as well as data field. Here also it will reflect, and here the entire details of the data, it is available in the table view. And this one is model creation, relationship between one data to another data, it will reflect here. And if you going to apply some DAX queries, we can use this button, DAX query view. Okay. And in right hand side, there is an visualizations. So we can see default visualizations are reflecting here. And in this data tab, whatever data you are uploading, it will reflect in your data tab. Okay. So this is the front view of this page. So the next what we are going to see is, so how to load the data from the different location and how to start work, that we will discuss on the next session. Okay.